Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends to BitMart. To invite friends to BitMart, first of all open your BitMart application or website and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now look for the Invite Friends button or the Referral Program button and tap on it. You will then be able to see your unique referral link and ID displayed on the screen. You can share this link via email, social media, or messaging app. Simply tap on the two square button right next to your referral ID or your referral link, and then you can share this link via any social media, email, or messaging apps. If you tap on the Invite Friends button, you will be able to see your invitation link attached, and you can then find one of your friends from the list, and you will then be able to share your invitation code and link to your friends. You can also use the application available on your mobile devices, such as the messaging application, and select one of your friends that you want to invite to BitMart. Now once your friend uses your referral link, and when they sign up and complete certain actions such as making a deposit or trading, you can earn rewards such as trading fee discounts or other bonuses. That is how you will be able to invite friends and earn rewards on BitMart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.